Hello dear traders, today is 12th of January 2018 and I continue from the demo account where I have placed the top 3 expert advisors that were performing best among the 99 expert advisors. And as you can see, currently I have balance of 1101. This means that I have succeeded to make $100, and this is like 10% from my initial capital. So let's see now in details what are the results on each strategy. So I will log in into my FX Blue, and first I will need to register for this account. So I click on FX Blue Live. I will click on register, and again here I need to select again the Pepperstone demo server. Okay, let me just go down. It's right over here, a little bit higher, Pepperstone 01. And here I will enter the new details. Okay, so the account number is 875720 and I have my read-only password here. And let me just paste here the password, okay? And email, I will write down the email as well of the Academy, register. And my account should be registered. So let's see the statistics. Account, you have not yet published a trading statement. So I need to click on account synchronization, and here just click save even without changing anything. And now I will go back to the statistics. Okay, and here you see that actually I have history only of 2 days. And I have floating profit loss of $8, balance 1,100. The equity is 1,092. And weekly return, this is like expected weekly return, guys, and monthly return. We have only 2 days of history data. So based on these results, this FX Blue website is calculating how much would be your monthly return or weekly return, but it doesn't mean, and there is no guarantee actually, that it will continue the very same way, because for 2 days to make 10%, obviously it's a very, very good result. So now let's go to strategy and see what I have here. You can see I have just a couple of trades opened, 5-7 trades totally. And my best profit was made by this strategy, 57144.865. It had $134 of profit and 0 losses. The second strategy made profit as well, 1 profitable, 1 losing trade. Yeah, exactly. And the third one had 1 profitable and 1 losing trade. So totally it has a negative result. So you see here is a good example of diversification. Obviously, you see now that if I have placed only this expert advisor to trade, I would have only profits, yeah? But you never know this, guys, and I didn't know when I placed the 3 expert advisors which one will have the best profit in the next days. So that's why I prefer to put 3, 5, 10 expert advisors in a separate account, just to make sure that if one of those starts to lose, the other 2 will profit, and at the end of the day I will be positive. Okay, this is very, very important. So now what I will do, guys, I will exit from the account because I want to log into my other account. It's actually this one, it's saved over here, to see if these 3 are still on the top or I need to change some of the expert advisors. Okay, so I go to statistics again and I click on strategy, and I see here that the magic number of 57144.865 is on the top here, and it's on the top of my top 3, so I will not move this one. Okay, the second one ends on 275, so it's another one. I will need to replace one of the 3. And the third one is 234, so it's again another one. My top 3 strategies were ending on, let me just check it one more time, guys, but they were ending on different numbers. Yeah, exactly, it's 734 and 478. One more time I will check. So it is 734 478. You can see these strategies went lower. Where are they? 738, 734, 734. It's right over here, still profitable, but there are other strategies that went on the top 3 spots. So now what I will do, guys, simply I will just copy these expert advisors from the other folder with the 99 expert advisors, and I will replace them with the 2 that went down. Okay, so here are the expert advisors, and I will look for the one that are on the top. So 567132275. It is this one over here. This is the one that is on the second place. I will copy it. I will place it where are the other expert advisors. So open data folder, and I click on MQL4, and then I'm going to experts. So now also I will remove the others that are already down with the statistics. Okay, so I need to leave 865. Okay, 865. So I will remove this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, I remove them, and I will paste the second expert advisor over here. All right, now I will go back again to all of the expert advisors, and I will look for the number 856891234. Okay, it's this one over here. I copy it, and then I go to the other folder, paste here, and pretty much that's it. I will close now the folder, and I will go to expert advisors, and I will refresh. Now many students are asking me, when I change some expert advisor, do I need to close the current position? So this is totally up to you guys. As you saw, the others expert advisor were making still profit, so it's okay if you leave the trade open. Let's see which trade is opened. It's the one that I have actually removed. So what I will do, I will close this trade now. I will close it because I have obviously new expert advisors that I want to replace. And if I keep this trade open and I put the other expert advisor, obviously if this expert advisor has an exit condition, it will not be able to manage this trade. Okay, so I personally prefer to close the trades straight away to place the new ones, or if you want, you can wait until the trade is closed and then to replace it. It's up to you. It's really not that huge importance how you will do it. Obviously, just make sure not to mess up, and that's why I show you with 3, and with the time you can increase the number of the expert advisors. So I have now again M15, M30 and H1, which is very nice. So I'm having 3 different time frames, and on M15 I will place the M15 expert advisor. It is asking you, do you really want to stop the current expert advisor and execute the one that you have placed on the chart for Bitcoin M15? Yes, I want to. I click on OK, and you see I already have the new expert advisor. I go to M30 and I will do the very same thing here. So I double click on it, I click yes, and then I click OK, and then I have my new expert advisor. And on H1 I still have this most profitable expert advisor currently going on. Okay guys, so that's it. This is the whole process. This is how we follow it. It's up to you really to find yourself. How often do you want to do that? Do you want to do it only over the weekend, or you want to do it every day, or you want to do it 2-3 days? Personally, I do it like every 2-3 days. I'm following the accounts that I am trading on, and I change the expert advisors that are currently making profit. Of course, for some people, $100 of profit probably is very small. For some is more. I am satisfied with such profit. And guys, this is for 2 days. Okay, let's be realistic and let's not be greedy. This is very important. I'm satisfied to have such a result, especially over $1,000 of an account. It is a good result for me personally. Okay guys, Thank you very much for watching, and please don't take any of the brokers mentioned, any of the websites as a recommendation, any of the trading amount. I just wanted to show you with an average account of $1,000 how you can trade. Of course, I really suggest you to start trading with 0.01 lot on a real account if you want to trade actually on a real account. If you practice it on a demo, I really admire that. Just keep practicing on demo until you get used with the process, until you find yourself comfortable, how many expert advisors you want to trade, on what balance you want to trade them, and just don't take huge risks. Okay, thank you guys for watching. It was a pleasure recording this course and this lecture. And if you have any questions, always don't hesitate to ask me. Just ask and I will be there to answer. Cheers guys, bye.